Welcome to Bharat Future City. 765 square kilometers of bold possibility.
తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం పూర్తి స్థాయిలో ఆలోచన చేసి ఒక గొప్ప నగరాన్ని నిర్మించాలి. అది భారత్‌కి ఒక ఫ్యూచర్ సిటీగా, ఒక భవిష్యత్తు నగరంగా ఉండాలని ఆలోచన చేసి
India's first net zero smart city, built to match the world's most advanced metropolises. Specialized zones for AI, biotech, electric vehicles and more. Seamless mobility. Metro, buses, highways. Global access. Directly connected to the airport. Live, learn, work, play. Within walking distance. Green corridors. Forest reserves. Quality of life reimagined. Spanning 56 villages across 7 mandals. A future city built for over 1 million people. This isn't just infrastructure. It's a legacy. Telangana's gift to the future of India. Join us at the Telangana Rising Global Summit, December 8 to 9, 2025.